Hola, clase! So welcome to halfway through the semester. We're coming on our midterm week. Next week is our midterm week. It's a full week of midterm for the oral midterm where you meet with me. So I'm going to go over this a little bit. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go into course resources, groups, and you can see oral midterm groups. They're organized by date and time. So that's the time that you're signing up for to meet with me and the date, okay? There's a lot of different options for the following week. If these times do not work for you, let me know so we can arrange a different time that does work for you. But you do need to let me know by this Friday. If you let me know after this Friday, I can't guarantee that I'm going to be able to accommodate a request. So please do let me know as soon as you go in there and see, you know what, none of the times left work for me. You sign up for one time, one person per time, okay? Once you've signed up for a time, you're going to go into the virtual classroom at that time and day, okay? Just at your time and day. It's just a short 10-minute thing. So there'll be active meetings in here that you can then join because I'll create those for you. And you can then join at your time, okay? Where are you going to find more information about the midterm? Like what's going to be asked? What's it about? What's going on? Well, so you can go into content. You can go down under module 6, go to midterm work. And then on midterm week, you'll see that there's oral instructions, and I've also uploaded a study guide. It's just the same one twice accidentally. So under virtual classroom, it tells you what the midterm is. So it's a dialogue with me midway through the semester. So it also says you have to use groups to pick a time and to sign up, and that you go do it in the virtual classroom. You'll be you can prepare by practicing the vocab from your first 6 unidades. It's a conversation. We're going to use the vocabulary and the structures that you've been learning. It's a live chat in Spanish. You will not be able to read or use notes, okay? So it's similar to some of the video discussion posts that you've been doing, but without any notes. So sometimes my comment has been, try not to read so much, because the more you're able to just internalize it, the more that helps you for this midterm, okay? Because if I do see you reading, then you automatically get a 0 on my midterm. So it's really just a conversation between the two of us. Again, I might use the whiteboard to help you. Again, no using English. So review your study plan and everything for the oral final midterm. These are instructions on how to enter the virtual classroom. We need to have video and audio, okay? That's really important. Then also, like I said, here's the study guide where I actually put down the questions to help you, to help alleviate some stress. So what I recommend to practice for the midterm is to go over these questions, to maybe start by writing out answers, and then by reviewing those answers until they come naturally to you, okay? So these are questions kind of taken from the first 6 units of what you've been doing. So yeah, there's a lot of them. I'm not going to ask you all of them, no, but I am going to ask probably half of them, and they're always going to be different depending, you know, each person. So it's not always going to be the same questions to each of you. So so here's the instructions. Sign up for an available time in groups. Enter the virtual classroom at your assigned time and date. Do not arrive late, and let me know by Friday if they don't work for you so we can schedule a different time. The exam will take about 5 to 8 minutes. These are the questions. Please review. And if you have any questions, always feel free to email me. I'm always happy to help. Okay, hasta luego.